Hey, what's up everyone? We're going to check out the EPOMAKER RT65. Okay, so it's important to know that if you're going to do wired mode, you have to use their own cable. You can't just use your own aviator cable. It comes with an LCD screen, and you get 4 keycaps, and you get the wisteria switches. You can also order a different type of switch if you don't like wisteria. There are from the Flamingo switches available. So this is the keyboard right here. You can get it in all black, or you can get what they call retro gray, which is like cream color, white and brown with gray. But let's check it out and see how it sounds. Has a bit of that dock sound. Oh, what's interesting too is this little knob here. It's like a video game controller joystick. It's really interesting. Hot swappable tri-mode. Really awesome. 3000 rechargeable battery.